This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Kids Catch.
Well, we know not everybody is quite back in school yet. I think like today is the last official day of summer for a lot of kids.
I think so.
But I think everybody is back to school tomorrow.
Yes.
I know it's been a journey getting everybody prepped and ready for classroom learning and just getting back in the swing of things. It's always that first week is full of adjustments for all of us.
Yes, it is.
And we know you're hanging in there and we know you need a laugh.
Yes, you do.
Yes, so we
Yeah.
got some jokes. So to get you ready for back to school, our field correspondent Spencer Tober has some back to school jokes for you with our joke jar, which of course is thanks to our friends at Kids Catch. So Spence, how are you making us laugh today?
My friend Luke, he comes home from school and his mother asks, Luke, what did you learn today? He says, I didn't learn enough, Mom. They said I have to go back tomorrow.
What do you think? Is that funny? No. No.
No! Cave people. You know, the Neanderthals?
Sure.
Cave people. Why was school so easy for them?
I don't know.
Ready?
Yes.
Wasn't much history to learn.
Oh! You've heard this one before. Where can you find the Great Plains?
In Arizona.
In China.
You guys know?
Where the Great Plains go.
Yeah. You can find the Great Plains at the Great Airport.
Was that silly? Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough.
A different kind of plane.
Yes.
All right, so a teacher catches a student passing notes. The student does not get in trouble. Why is that?
Wow, I don't know.
Right? You ever get in trouble for that?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Said you were a teacher. Have you ever caught your students passing notes?
I have.
Hey, do you have any ideas? No?
You ready? Because it was a music class. Different kind of notes.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Why don't bubbles like school?
Bubbles like school. Gosh.
What's the bubbles' least favorite part about school?
I don't know.
Anyone?
I think it's something about a pop quiz.
Oh, could that be it?
Do you think it's a pop quiz?
Because they don't like pop quizzes.
Mommy got it! Mommy got that one!
I think I kind of was the joke, always going back to school.
The joke is how much school supplies cost actually this year.
But that's
the
the joke.
real joke.
Right? You're getting one binder, kids.
This has definitely not been ha 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 funny. This
Make
has
it
been,
count.
oh, funny. But we're all in it together in some way, right?
Yes, yes. So maybe bring your sense of humor with you for the first week back to school. And, you know, someone's got to be the class clown. It could be you.
I don't know why I'm laughing. I just think of all the dumb jokes back in the school days and our joke
Oh,
jar.
so
and
many.
we just love you guys. Hope we make you laugh.
Yes. But coming up, it is Tuesday, not Monday, which means we've got a great debate for you. We're going to see who's thinking what you're thinking, all of that when we get back.
Keep the Coast Life fun going on our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Hearing from you makes it feel like you're right on the couch with us. More Coast Life after this.